The world holds many roads. Some are merely paths, while others are journeys into wonder. Imagine a ribbon of asphalt thrown across giant peaks. This is a highway like no other, a place where human hands met wild nature, resulting in something truly breathtaking. Our journey begins high above. The drone's eye reveals a marvel, a dark winding line cutting through green, climbing towards a steel-gray sky. This is the Trans-Fagarasan Highway, a legend among mountain roads, a dream for any true explorer. It calls to those who seek beauty and challenges those who seek thrills. Join us as we explore this marvel, uncover its secrets, and witness its stunning majesty. Deep within Eastern Europe lies Romania, a land of ancient forests and towering mountain ranges. The Carpathian Mountains curve across its heart, presenting wild, formidable landscapes, home to bears, wolves, and lynx. The Fagaras Mountains are the crown, the highest in the Romanian Carpathians. Their peaks often touch the clouds, with snow lingering even in summer. This is a realm of rock and ice, of deep valleys and glacial lakes, a challenging terrain for any life. For centuries, these mountains were a barrier, separating regions and peoples. Shepherds trod ancient paths over them, their flocks grazing on high pastures. But a modern passage was needed, a route to conquer the heights and link the lands on either side. The Trans-Fagarasan answers that call. This incredible highway has a story. It was not built for gentle Sunday drives. Its origins lie in times of tension. During the Cold War, in the late 1960s, Romania sought strategic security. A military route across the mountains was deemed essential for defense, a way to move troops quickly. So, the Romanian army was tasked, and a monumental feat of engineering began. Soldiers, not civilians, built this road, battling harsh weather and terrain. Working at high altitudes was perilous. Dynamite blasted through solid rock. Tunnels were bored, and viaducts raised. The human cost was sadly high. The work spanned from 1970 to 1974. It was an immense undertaking, especially considering the tools and technology then. Much was done with sheer determination, facing freezing winters and short summers. Today, the strategic need has faded, but the road remains a testament to human ambition and engineering skill. Our ascent of the Trans-Fagarasan begins from the south, near the Argeș River. The initial climb is quite gentle, as the road meanders through forests. Tall beech and fir trees line the way, with sunlight dappling through the canopy. Small streams gurgle nearby, offering a peaceful introduction to the journey. The air grows cooler as we climb, and the scent of pine fills the senses. You might spot a hidden waterfall, cascading down moss-covered rocks. The forest is alive with sound, birdsong echoing through the trees. This part of the road is tranquil, preparing you for what lies ahead. Occasionally, the trees part, offering glimpses of higher peaks, still distant and shrouded in mystery. The road surface is generally good, but it demands careful attention, with curves and blind corners. The true mountain adventure awaits. The Serpent's Ascent, dancing with giants. Now the character of the road changes. It begins its true, dramatic climb. The trees give way to alpine meadows, and then to bare rock and scree. The Trans-Fagarasan transforms into a seemingly endless series of hairpins. These are tight, challenging turns, a test for both driver and vehicle. From above, it is an astonishing sight. The road looks like a tangled ribbon, or a giant serpent, coiled on the slope. Each bend reveals a new vista. Valley floors drop away sharply. Opposite mountainsides loom large. The scale is almost overwhelming. You feel like you are on top of the world. Look closely at the engineering, the retaining walls, the culverts, the sheer effort to carve this path into such an unforgiving landscape. Tunnels cut through solid rock spurs. Viaducts bridge deep, rocky chasms. It is a constant battle against gravity and the erosive power of nature. Balea Lak, the mountain's icy gaze. After countless twists and turns, a reward. The road reaches its highest point. Here, nestled in a glacial cirque, lies the stunning Balea Lake. It is a jewel of turquoise water, often reflecting the surrounding peaks. Even in summer, patches of snow remain, a testament to the altitude. Balea Lak is a natural glacial lake, formed thousands of years ago by ice. Its waters are cold and incredibly clear. A small chalet sits by its shore, offering refuge and refreshment to travelers. There is also a cable car here. It operates when the road is closed, providing year-round access to this spot. This is a place to pause, to breathe in the mountain air, to marvel at the panoramic views. On a clear day, you can see for miles across a wilderness of stone and sky. Near the lake is the entrance to the longest road tunnel in Romania. Emerging from it is like entering a slightly different world again. Beyond the summit, a new vista unveiled. Emerging from the Capra Balea tunnel, the landscape on the northern side appears. It offers a different perspective. The descent is equally dramatic, perhaps even more rugged in places. The slopes seem steeper here. Waterfalls crash down near the road, fed by melting snow and ice. The road continues its serpentine dance, twisting down towards the Transylvanian plains. The views remain utterly spectacular. Deep valleys carve through the mountains. Patches of hardy pine trees cling to slopes. The air remains cool and fresh. It invigorates the weary traveler. This northern section feels wilder somehow, perhaps because it is more exposed to the harsh weather systems from the north. You can see the power of erosion in the scarred rock faces and scree fields. Nature is constantly reshaping this land. The road is a fragile human imprint, a line drawn on an ancient canvas. As you descend further, forests return. First, stunted mountain pines, then taller, more substantial trees. The intensity of the high peaks recedes, but the memory of them remains vivid. A realm of shifting moods. The Transfaguracin through time. The Transfaguracin is not always open. Its high altitude means heavy snowfall. Typically, it is accessible only in summer, from late June or July until late October, weather permitting. This short window adds to its allure, making a visit feel more special, a fleeting opportunity to experience it. Even in summer, the weather can change rapidly and dramatically in the mountains. Sunshine can give way to thick fog. A calm day can turn stormy. This unpredictability is part of its character. It demands respect from all who visit. One must always be prepared for the mountain's shifting moods. Imagine this road in deep winter, buried under meters of thick snow. silent, inaccessible, and frozen. Only the hardiest creatures remain. The landscape transformed into white, a world of stark, icy beauty. The cable car to Balaia Lac offers a glimpse into this frozen kingdom. Each season paints the Transferasin differently. Spring sees melting snows and fresh green. Summer brings wildflowers to the meadows. A journey etched in memory. So, is this the most beautiful road? Beauty, of course, is subjective. Yet few roads offer such drama, such raw, untamed natural splendor. The Transfiguração is more than asphalt. It is an adventure for the soul, a symphony of rock, sky, and human will. A true, visual masterpiece. It is a place that stays with you long after the drive has ended. The memories of winding turns, of vast panoramas and icy lakes, these images become etched in the mind. To experience the Transfiguração is to witness nature at its most majestic and human ingenuity at its most daring. It is a journey worth making, a pilgrimage for driving enthusiasts and for anyone who loves wild places. This Romanian marvel truly delivers an unforgettable passage through the clouds. It whispers of adventure and beauty. The Transfiguração Highway awaits, a journey unlike any other.